Usembut Menteri Rangba ubakmi yak tanat transport ubak sengab halang dhar hak arpesantrik Risau, ulaong baka sorkar jela kampat syemna raikut satya ban pensange hak badai baka jintarwa pentrikam yak projek lentiral hak jela. Habakran syakila petai kubor Menteri ulaong ngimpat syemla syem yak rai ban pensange no ngindang syem yak rai namar hak baningkong ngin persyang ban yo yak ajeng menjur hapadeng barok kikenhun beper. Ulaong ru tak ladang yo yak ajeng menjur lang na barok ngin sa syem yak rai kum ka sorkar. Dangshan ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum NTDF kelaban jor halor ka jindan kam yak sorkar jela pakan wanra yak ki policy tre kam ki bane na kabenta ban kentiaw ki kam jungok kai ha ka jela kata ha ka ba lakar pat ru yak sorkar pedeng ban menjur na kabenta ban wanra yak high speed luxury rail network kenang ban penkloy yak kalit kawan na Guwahati sa Shillong. Habakali halor kajing mat kapaya day bakajing pentri kam yak ni luxury rail network Menteri ulaong baka ni kajing terwa jong ka MTDF kadai kababiang. Henry watla katai kini ki hap hapo katanat tourism. Le se nga hap ban pan ki jing tep na kani katanat yak ai kabalaya kren bat ya mentahi kani kam de satya hapo katanat ka jonga Henry katanat tourism ula benram.
Not abandon, we are yet to take a call because about railway. Just like how always I used to reply to you from time to time. For railway issue, first of all we'll try to take everybody on board, all the stakeholders. And if everybody is on board, and then only we'll take a call as well. The headman from that area, stakeholder, who are. Actually, the request or the proposal is good, not bad, but these things falls in the tourism department. Maybe I think I have to get the input from the tourism. What is the talk as of now? Not from my department, it's tourism sector.